Hi guys, today I'm going to be making easy Alfredo pasta. So what I use is the family size ragu, and then I have my chicken cooking right here. I cut it up in cubes. And I add some oregano leaves and pepper, and I also add salt. And just continue to taste your food to see if you need to add any seasoning. So I'll open the sauce right here. This is how it looks, and then you're just gonna mix it in. It's done, so I'm gonna take it off the heat, set it aside. So I'll use this one, the fettuccine, great value. One box, like I said. My water is all ready. So this is how the sauce looks. Looks super good. My water is still boiling, as y'all can see. And I got the plates ready and everything. Okay, so my pasta is ready to go. So I'm just gonna drain it. And I just drain it with a strainer. You could add butter to the pasta once you put it back in this pan, but I don't. I used to, but I don't do it anymore. I'm just gonna taste one of the pastas. It's about ready to go. So I have it drained and ready right here. I put it back in this pan that I was cooking it in. And so once I took the sauce off the heat, I put it over there to cool down, but I put it back on the heat. So like I said, I put it on low. Gonna turn it off, and this is my sauce, how it looks, y'all. Let me see if I can angle it out better so I can see. I don't know if it's gonna stay. Y'all can kind of see, right? Okay. So I'm gonna add it into here. This is how we do it. I'm ready to eat. I'm so excited. We don't waste anything around here, like I said. I'm ready to eat. 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 I'm ready. Rice and pasta is right here. And I'm just gonna mix it up. We're gonna do a little taste test. It looks so good. Mouth is watering. It's tasty, y'all. Get a little piece of the chicken, and gonna get some of that pasta. The pasta. All right, y'all. I'm gonna let y'all go because I'm about to grub, and leave a like, comment, and please share, subscribe, and I'll see y'all when I'm making a new video. Peace out.